Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add blink or flicker effect in Inshot. First of all, open up the Inshot mobile application. Once you open it up, go in the video option and click on specific video that you want to choose. For example, if I want to choose this video, click on next. From here, the fifth option, you should find effects. Click on it and click on add effect. Go to the glitch one, and from here you can either choose for the shake one like this is the flicker one. You can moreover choose any of these filters, the shutter one, or you can go for the basic and choose a specific one. Other thing you can do is click on the stickers, click on add sticker, import a picture, click on edit, and from here what you can do is choose this one. As you can see, this is the flicker one. Click on tick. You must choose a background for that specific picture if you want to add the flicker one. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.